Welcome to Product Critique. In today's review, we're diving into one of the best Yoshi Croc charms you can find, the 25 pieces shoe decoration charms for Clog Sandals by Joivoritow. If you're a fan of unique, fun, and customizable footwear, this is a game changer. First off, let's talk about the overall quality of these charms. Made from high-quality waterproof PVC material, they are designed to last. These charms are durable, easy to clean, and they won't fade over time, making them perfect for everyday use. Whether you're walking through rain or shine, these Yoshi-themed charms will stay vibrant and intact. When it comes to ease of use, these charms are incredibly simple to install. All you need to do is align them at a 45-degree angle and gently push them into your clogs. To remove them, simply reach into the holes of the shoes and pull them out. It's as simple as that. Now, let's talk about the design. These charms feature some adorable, cartoonish Yoshi characters that are sure to stand out on your shoes. The colors are bold and vivid, bringing a touch of fun and creativity to your everyday look. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to your clogs or want to give a unique gift, these charms are a great way to express yourself. Each pack contains 25 individual charms, so you'll have plenty of options to mix and match. These are not just great for shoes but can also be used for accessories like bags and bracelets. The variety ensures that you'll always have something new to show off. Overall, the 25 pieces shoe decoration charms for Clog Sandals by Joivoritow are an excellent addition for anyone looking to personalize their footwear. With their sturdy design, easy application, and fun Yoshi characters, they're the perfect way to add some character to your shoes. If you love showing off your style, make sure you check out this product and give your footwear a unique, playful touch. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. See you in the next one.